Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And when people mess with the wrong cops, you'll see how small acts of defiance quickly turn into instant karma. These dashcam moments show why challenging the wrong officers never ends the way people expect.
Keep your hand out of the bag, put it down.
In Florida, a minor shoplifting incident at Target quickly escalated. The woman was accused of stuffing merchandise into her bag and casually walking out as if nothing had happened. When stopped by security and police, she repeatedly denied the accusations, argued, and refused to show identification. Trying to flee only ensured that law enforcement would no longer negotiate gently.
What's your name? Yes, Mom. Sir, what is your I know my rights. I know my rights. Hold on, no. I'm not turning around now.
Stop running!
All right. I didn't do anything wrong. I have 2 kids. Get off. Sir, please, I will cooperate. I just want to talk to you.
Not talking to him. You're arrested.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine.
Oh, okay, we just gotta call a suspicious vehicle.
Resisting the police never works in a suspect's favor. These two women stubbornly refused to exit their vehicle despite repeated commands. What began as a routine check escalated into a tense confrontation. This will be a hard lesson for both of them.
We're going through a lot right now. This is so complicated bothering us while we're sitting at a parking lot. You can't tell me to get out my car because this is my car and it's not on and you are bothering me.
Man, stay in the car.
Oh my God, can you leave from right here, bro? Y'all are illegal. Can you
Step out.
Oh my car.
Step out for me.
Oh my God. I can get out. I was recording. That's why you stopped, right? We're sorry. Please stop. Please don't hurt. Please don't hurt.
Do you need medical attention?
Yes. I know, but she's sorry. I'm sorry. You never do it.
I asked you a question.
What's the problem?
I asked you a question.
This man walked through the airport aggressively, yelling and making threats, forcing security to intervene. When questioned, he continued to provoke, challenge, and threaten violence, escalating the situation further. And challenging law enforcement leads to only one outcome.
Hello. You have your ID on you?
A seemingly harmless wrong lane turn triggered a chain of uncontrollable tension. When stopped, Samarin immediately became confrontational and argumentative. Lacking identification, having a suspended license, and displaying increasingly aggressive behavior caused the situation to escalate rapidly. What began as a routine traffic stop turned into a chaotic confrontation.
She don't have no gun. Get off me. Get off me. I don't got no gun. You don't look like I got no gun. I got some tight ass pants on. Tight ass shirt. You don't look like I got a gun. Call my grandmother.
Hey, sir. Sir. Come here.
A shoplifting call at a Best Buy in Florida quickly spiraled out of control. When police approached, the suspect suddenly fled, raising tensions. In the end, resisting the law never ends well. He was arrested shortly afterward.
I got it. Yeah, good. Nice stomach. Okay, good. You got him? Yeah. Okay. Take it to you. Stop the car! Stop! out the car.
I didn't do anything.
Get out of the car.
What did I do, sir?
Now. Put in park and get out.
I didn't do anything, sir.
You good, bro? Who's your shoe?
What's going on, bro?
I'm not your bro.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot who I was talking to. Sorry.
Put you put your shoe on. We'll talk to you in a second.
What's going on?
Why'd you run?
What you mean?
Why'd you run?
Why'd you chase me?
I didn't chase you, you ran.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
Hello.
Hi,
Give your license, registration, insurance.
I'll give you my name.
What's
A
your name?
seemingly simple traffic stop in Des Moines quickly escalated. When no one in the vehicle had a valid driver's license, police decided to tow the car and arrest the driver. Tensions exploded when a woman in the vehicle stepped out, resisted officers, and ignored warnings. She would soon regret her actions.
I'm not affording you any graces today then if we're gonna have an attitude.
Sorry.
What do you need out of the car?
Can I ask them to pick up their car, please?
Yeah, you can grab your personal belongings for sure. No. Nope. I need you guys to grab your stuff and head out. Put your hands down.
I just want to talk to her. I just want to talk to her. Please stop. Bro, why are you doing that, bro? You need to stop always arguing with the police. Stop always arguing with the police.
Stand up.
Hold on, wait, bro. Wait, be careful. I don't want you touching me.
Stand up. Put
Why
your
you
feet
pushing
in.
me in there?
Nobody pushed you.
You did.
Put your feet in.
You did put. Wow.
You have your ID, ma'am?
I don't.
You don't?
Left from my friend's house. I don't. My person's there.
After being accused of running a red light, she repeatedly denied it, had no identification, and refused to comply with instructions. When ordered to exit the vehicle, she resisted, argued, and struggled aggressively. The familiar ending followed when she chose to defy police orders.
Step out of the car.
No.
Yes. Step out of the car.
Do it.
Step out of the car. Okay. Step out of the car. Don't you kick me. Don't you kick me. Put your hands behind your back. Give me your fucking hands. Give me your fucking hands.
You're done.
Get my phone!
Sit in the car. Sit in the car. Sit down.
A fun day at Universal Studios quickly turned chaotic when a loud group of visitors was asked to leave the park due to disruptive behavior. Instead of leaving quietly, they argued, filmed, challenged security, and demanded explanations. Their continued resistance led to police intervention, and the day ended with handcuffs instead of ride tickets.
You need my cuffs, you good? Stop tensing up.
You just asked that question. It's surprising. Actually, it's not surprising that you don't remember. I smell the alcohol.
That's surprising that I remember, right?
Hey, what the f*** she been renting for? Hey, what the f***
She's walking in between the cars right now. She has a screwdriver. Did she do any damage to any cars?
A woman caused chaos at a car dealership, walking between vehicles while holding a screwdriver, frightening employees into calling the police. When told to stop, she repeatedly resisted, screamed, and refused to cooperate. The situation quickly escalated into a physical struggle with officers. The familiar ending to such defiance was being restrained and arrested on the spot.
Because they don't want to stop. Don't touch me. Get off of me, bro. Get off of me, bro.
I don't think.
Off of me, bro. Get the off of me. You're hurting me. No.
Sit down.
Ma'am.
Touch me.
Hey. Have a seat. Hey, G, we got a searcher. Have a seat. Have a seat.
I am sitting down on the floor.
Ma'am, do you have anything else in your pocket?
Oh my God. That's my flight. No, it's not. It's literally my
A passenger who was denied boarding due to disruptive behavior refused to comply with airline staff. When police arrived, the man continued to act aggressively, shouting and resisting inside the terminal. The situation quickly got out of control, forcing officers to restrain and arrest him in the middle of the airport, ending the trip in the worst possible way.
Yo, it's so...
Oh, your car's acting up, but it looks like a nice car.
Wisconsin police approached a suspect connected to a drug trafficking operation. While speaking with officers, Stanley suddenly ran, forcing police to use a taser to subdue him. This tense arrest paved the way for search warrants and the takedown of a dangerous drug ring.
Stanley, turn around and put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Stanley, stop or I'm gonna tase you. Taser, taser, taser. Stop! I'm gonna tase you again.
Behind your back, behind your back, then behind your back, then behind your back. You're gonna get it again. Okay.
Because you're gonna go in the back of my car. Got quite a bit of cash here. I don't really want that. You got like a bag or something? Okay, get in the car, Stanley. Really can't. Scoot all the way in, Stan. Just swing your feet around in front of you here, okay?
Go ahead and stay on the golf course. Hey! Come over here.
A routine traffic stop quickly spiraled out of control when a golf cart was found, carrying more passengers than allowed. From arguing and shouting to openly defying commands, the crowd turned the scene into chaos. Police were forced to restrain and arrest multiple individuals to regain control.
Get back! Get back! Get back! Put your hands behind your back. Y'all tripping, bro. And no, down. No, tell me what charges. Tell me what. No, tell me what charges. Get on the ground! All of you! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! He's under arrest. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground now! Hands behind your back. Do it now. Hands behind your back. Do it now. I told you. Don't resist. Don't resist. Don't resist.
What am I doing? Are you resisting?
Resisting. Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. You fucking...
Everybody.
Bro, get off of here. Let me go.
He's under arrest.
Actually, the turn, it wasn't even red. There was a car in front of me.
A minor turning violation quickly erupted into a tense confrontation. During questioning, the individual suddenly fled after being asked to provide identification. And the law is never gentle with those who choose to resist it.
I got her in the parking lot by Aspen Dental. Turn the around, dumbass. Why are you running? Stand up. Stand up.
To her car.
Stand up.
A little bit of weed, that's it.
Okay, cool.
It's in this pocket right here. My left pocket, it's a little bit of weed, maybe a couple bags of weed. That's it. I don't know. It might not. It might. I don't think so. I don't even have an idea. I got 10.
Bro, I knew you.
Hello, how you doing? You know I'm stopping you?
A simple traffic stop escalated rapidly when the driver sped past police. When officers caught up, she repeatedly argued and refused to follow commands. Resisting the law only made the situation worse.
You know that?
My mission's tested, so I'm not
Are you serious? Stay in the car now. Stay in the car before you get arrested. Get over here. Stay in the car before you get arrested.
Don't touch me.
You're on a traffic stop right now because what you just did, you did not move over for the police car.
Then let me up, but you
Okay,
see
you
me
slow
trying
down.
to get...
You're almost just in my car.
I did not, but did I hit your car?
Can I see your license?
Did I hit your car?
Can I see your license?
No, you cannot. You cannot. Don't need to touch me.
That's what I'm trying.
Call the...
Okay, hands behind your back now.
You can let me go. Relax. You just...
Hands behind your back now. In the car.
And that wraps up. When people messed with the wrong cops, which moment surprised you the most? Do you think these situations could have ended differently? Let us know your thoughts in the comments before you go.